Sunlight is a mixture of 7 colors. The blue, green, LiQWYD. Hello kids. It's great to see you all. Do you all like a rainbow? How many of you have seen a rainbow? Did you all know that you can create a rainbow at home? Let's get the materials needed for this activity. All that you need is a CD, a flashlight, a white surface or whiteboard. Are you ready kids? Shall we now create a beautiful rainbow with a CD? Got your things? Great. First set up the white surface closer to the CD. Then flash the light on the CD. Wow! Look at the vibrant colors. To see the rainbow clearly we could switch off the lights in the room. We have to play with the positioning of the CD a little to get a rainbow onto the white surface. Now, let us understand the facts behind this activity. Have you seen a sunset in the sky? What do you see in the sky? A beautiful scene of mixture of orange and yellow colors. Hence, sunlight is not just a white light but it has some colors. If so, what are the colors? Sunlight is a mixture of 7 colors. These colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These colors we call bogha-froise, indicating the first letter of each color. The CD is made of tracks that can diffract the white light into different colors. When the white light passes through the mirror-like surface of the CD it is reflected into different colors. Similarly, when the sunlight, which is a white light, passes through the raindrops it is reflected into 7 colors. So we get a lovely rainbow. Kids, hope you all enjoyed activity and watching this video. Thank you. Do share your comments and experiences that you had seeing a rainbow.